Welcome sa Property Perspectives. Sa episode natin ngayon, bibigyan namin kayo ng exclusive preview ng isang exciting na development, ang Modern Lofts by PH1 World Developers. Kung hanap nyo ay modern design at convenience, nandito na yan. Samahan nyo kami as we explore Modern Lofts, isang mid-rise residential condominium na may innovative ad-loft technology. Designed with a modern, minimalist, and Japanese-inspired aesthetics, Modern Lofts maximizes space, light, and ventilation, offering a truly extraordinary loft living experience. Mula sa spacious one-bedroom units hanggang sa luxurious two-bedroom options, Modern Lofts caters to various lifestyle needs. Ang mga top-notch amenities tulad ng rooftop garden, co-working spaces at state-of-the-art fitness centers ay nagbibigay ng modernong pamumuhay. Meron din itong perfect blend of access papuntang Metro Manila and Antipolo City. Salamat sa pag-tune in sa aming YouTube channel. Abangan ang susunod na property tour para sa exciting real estate options dito sa aming lugar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para mas marami pa tayong matulungang makahanap ng kanilang dream home. Ingat!